According to a new report of the United Nations, by 2023, India will replace China as the world's most populous country. The report predicts that November 15, 2022, will be the day when the world's population will reach 8 billion. However, it also underscores that humanity's population boom is fading and the world's population is now growing at its slowest pace since 1950. Predictions from experts suggest that the world's population could rise to about 8.5 billion in 2030, 9.7 billion in 2050, and 10.4 billion in 2100. This is a reason to celebrate our diversity and admire the advances in healthcare that have extended life expectancy and dramatically reduced maternal and child mortality rates, said UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres. More than half of the predicted population growth by 2050 will be concentrated in 8 countries: the Democratic Republic of Congo, Egypt, Ethiopia, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Tanzania. Most of the 46 least developed countries, 32 of which are in sub-Saharan Africa, are among the fastest-growing populations. The population of some of these countries is projected to double between 2022 and 2050. For instance, sub-Saharan Africa's population is expected to continue to grow through the end of the century, contributing to more than half of the global population growth expected through 2050. On the other hand, 61 countries will see their populations decline between 2022 and 2050, including significant parts of Europe. China currently has a population of about 1.426 billion and India about 1.412 billion. While India will continue its growth and reach a population of 1.668 billion by 2050, China's population will decline to about 1.317 billion by mid-century. Regarding the number of men and women, men, 50.3%, are currently slightly more than women, 49.7%. However, this will change in the coming decades, and by 2050 the number of women will equal the number of men. We also live in an aging world, and between 2022 and 2050, the proportion of people aged 65 and older will increase globally. Remember, experts previously discovered that China's population shrank for the first time since the Great Famine 60 years ago. Chinese women do not want to have children because of the coronavirus and the rising cost of living.